How did I get started learning to rehab homes? Hold on, I'm trying to read this up. I'm about to answer that question. Hey, how I got started learning to rehab homes? One of my homeboys was already in the game when I started. He was already flipping houses, contracting houses for other people. So I would call him damn near every day and see where he was at. When I had an opening in my schedule, I'll call him. Hey, where you at? Oh, I'm in Decatur. Hey, I'm about to pull up. Hey, where you at? I'm in East Point. Oh, I'm about to pull up. And I would just go and learn and ask him questions, and he'll just walk me through it. And I'm going to tell you, man, dog, them first 6 months to a year, it was hell because I didn't know nothing. But the more you keep showing up, the more stuff starts sounding familiar, the more you'll get it. You know, and not only that, what do you think about Boxable and them? And not only that, you know, doing your own research too. So that's how I got started, man. I started by shadowing people, you know, getting that hands-on experience, just working for free. Not even quote unquote working, but just being in the right area. I like boxing.